Hello, everybody. We're here with Aaron Lieberman, CTO of ConRes, runs up their professional services group. Aaron, how are you doing today?
Doing well, thanks. Thanks for having me, Brandon.
Excellent. Hey, Aaron, I know your team's been in the thick of keeping customers secure while they adjust to this whole impact of moving all their workers remote. What are some of the security related items that companies might be overlooking while they race to move everybody remote and keep their companies operational?
Yep. Yeah, good question. Yeah, they're moving at light speed to get users connected. I think they're neglecting a lot of security and visibility into the new workers environment. What worked in the four walls that they were working in previously is it's not the same. This is a hacker's dream, right? Having everyone work from home behind networks, home networks and broadband connections, with all those IoT devices at home. The hackers have a lot of ways to get into your network. So, I think security is the biggest issue, and I think that's something that needs to be really looked at and make sure that you're implementing a similar type of policy that you had in your corporate office or your branch office back at home as well. Okay,
And
those are
and
big challenges.
and with all those things, overlaid on the task of getting everyone set up as a remote worker, you guys have been helping a ton of customers in a very short period of time. What
Yeah.
are some of the things that your team does to respond so quickly? And how are you helping?
Yeah, I mean, we are. I mean, we're working around the clock to help our customers scale secure VPN remote access. Last thing we want is a customer that's dealing with a health pandemic to now deal with a cyber pandemic, right?
Sure.
So, we're trying to ramp customers up in a very short amount of time. And it's a challenge because we have customers that are still trying to, we're still trying to work with them on existing projects, right? And we have to try and keep that moving, as well as triage and provide support for secure remote access and all the other things that go along with it. So I think we're doing a good job. It's a juggling act for sure, but for right now we seem to be doing okay. I mean, we're doing what we can to kind of prioritize the customers that need help with this. And then, I mean, most customers have been pretty accommodating to help us with that juggling act. So again, I think we're doing okay right now.
Excellent. Aaron, can you share an example of
Yeah.
maybe a recent project that you executed with a client in this area?
Yep. Around mid-March, we had a customer that, previously they had a solution for secure remote access that, connected a few hundred users concurrently. Global company, and we took a 2-month project and we got it done in a week. Okay, mobilizing all of our resources and engineers to help them get 10,000 users online securely and globally. So it was a big challenge. I'm proud of my whole team for what they did, and we put a lot of long hours to help them. But this is the kind of thing we're doing on a daily basis right now around the clock, where every day it's a new customer that we're trying to help triage and get them online securely as fast as possible.
Wow. Yeah, I can imagine the undertaking. Hey, Aaron, if companies out there need help catching up on these security measures once they've got the bulk of their remote worker challenge handled, what's the best way for them to get in touch with your team at Conres?
Yep, just go to our website at conres.com.
Okay. Well, hey, thanks a lot, Aaron. Appreciate the insights, and we'll talk to you again soon.
All right, thanks for having me.